Hello, I'm Kohinoor Bharti, and I'm fourth year student of BTech Data Science from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University. So here I'm presenting my project, that is traffic sign recognition using CNN, that is convolutional neural network. To create this project, I have used Python 3 to write the code using Python language and VS Code IDE to execute my code. I have also used different Python libraries and frameworks to train a model based on the image dataset that we have. So as we know, AI is now widely used all over the world as it is helping human to solve a lot of difficult problems that a human can't do easily. And as the technical industries are moving forward to make their work automated by making robots, self-driving cars, and many more to work on AI without any human interaction. This project is being inspired by the well-known self-driving car company named Tesla, which is gaining popularity these days because of its accurate result of handling the car without any human driver with the help of AI or the artificial intelligence. So the contents that I'm going to explain you and this project is basically the introduction of this project, like why we need this type of project and what is the use of this project, the object of this project, then the existing system that we have, and what can be the upgradation or a better version of this project can be according to me, the concept of the project, that is from where I have collected the data and the preparation of data that I've been done to train my model, the technical specification that is required to run this project, as this deep learning project needs high computational power so that it can have in so that it can have number of epochs that can be used to train the model to get a accurate or the desired result, and the project workflow diagram that shows how our model takes the data, extract all the required data that is present in that particular image, and then gives us a desired outcome based on what kind of or what type of traffic sign it is. Then the methods that is used to create this project and some of the screenshot of our working project, then the result of the accuracy rate and the loss that we are getting while training the result. The future scope of the project, that is how our project can be very useful in future or how it can be improvised based on the previous projects, the conclusion of the project, and then the reference. We also know that a number of accidents is happening every day around the world. So, developing an automated traffic sign recognition system can also help the driver in many ways, like by guaranteeing their safety or the people who are driving across them and the pedestrians that are walking across the road. So our project have mainly one goal to detect the traffic sign that is present around the car and act accordingly. With this functionality, the system can guide and alert the driver to prevent from the dangers that can happen if the driver is not alert while driving the vehicle. So in this project, we have built a deep learning neural network model that basically classifies the traffic sign that is given to the model. The model takes the traffic sign, it segments, it gathers the data that is present on the image, it detects all the edges, and it also gathers all the required data that needs to classify the traffic sign. And based on that, it gives us the accurate or the desired result so that the car act accordingly without harming the driver or any of the pedestrian or the drivers that are across to that particular vehicle. Also, for those who spend a lot of time on motorways, like the drivers who travel daily from one place to another, covering a long distance, like more than 200 kilometers a day, so they also need rest. And in case if they are not getting proper rest, there can be a number of possibilities that any kind of harmful incident can be happen because driver is not getting sufficient sleep or sufficient rest to handle or to drive that particular car. So in that process, traffic sign recognition can also help in many way by detecting all the surrounding, by detecting the distance between other vehicles, and also detecting the traffic signs that are present and act accordingly, where to stop, where to take a right turn, where to get slow, required to get in a limited speed. So, despite the pros of the traffic sign system, there are some cons of it. In an interview, the owner of Tesla Motors, Elon Musk, has been asked, what if any of your Tesla car gets hacked by any hacker as it works on AI with the server connection? That can be an unwanted incident can take place if this happens. So in reply to this, he said that there is a button by pressing it, the car will lose all its connection with the server and act like a normal car. And in the present system, there can be a problem what if the car loses its connection without the knowledge of the driver. So it can also lead to some bad incident and is harmful for the driver and the driver's surrounding. It also harmful for the pedestrian that comes in the contact with that particular vehicle. And at some place, there is a speed limit that is being kept for every vehicle to not to go crossing that limit. And if the driver of that vehicle has kept the car on autopilot mode and the car in any case is not able to detect that, if any, like there can be a possibility that the car was not able to detect that traffic sign, so that can also lead a problem for the driver and its surrounding. So to overcome this, what we can do, we can attach another system to that car manually, which by losing the connection from the server alerts the driver about it and handle the car until the driver takes the control of that car. So the objective of the project is basically the data collection. So the data that I have been using to make or to train this model is basically taken from the website named Kaggle. This dataset contains more than 50,000 images of 43 different classes. Each class, varying some of the classes have many images, different number of images, where some classes have few number of images. So in this image, we can see there are 43 signs that is used to create this data set, and each class contains different number of images, the data preparation. To create a model that predict accurate result, we have already collected the data set from the Kaggle. Now we need to import the required libraries and the framework to train or to more train that model. Then we need to reduce the noise that is present in that data set by handling all the missing data or the missing images or any kind of noise that is present in that data set. Now we need to train our model based on the data that we have gathered from the Kaggle. We have reduced the noise of that data. Now we are passing that data to train our model. So the technical requirement for our model, the hardware requirement that is required for the model is the normal 8 GB RAM, Intel iCore processor to process our model fast for the epoch so that the training will be happen accurate and with less amount of time. We need Windows 10. The software requirement, as I said, I have used Python 3. So I have used the latest version that is Python 3.8, and the IDE that I used to create this project is the Visual Studio Code. So here we can see the workflow diagram of our project. In this, the project or our model first takes the image that needs to be classified, then it passes the image to the trained model so that our model recognizes the pattern present in the image as a traffic sign. It will be passed ahead for further extraction to get the accurate result, and if the sign is not traffic sign, it will give a message saying no sign detected. Methodology used. So the method or the algorithm that is used to train the model is CNN, that is convolution layer network. Why I have used this? Because this algorithm works better with images and computer vision works. It has different layer for different work. As you can see in this image, the algorithm has different layer for different works and extraction of data from a particular image to get the accurate result from the provided image. So here are some screenshots of our working project. The project will show this type of graphical interface where we can see a button saying upload the image. By clicking it, a image folder will get open where the test image is being kept, and the system will automatically, or we can say randomly, takes the image and upload it to the graphical interface. After the image is uploaded, another button will appear says classify image. Once you click on that image, or once you click on that button, it will classify the present image and will give us the output. Here you can see, after clicking the classify image, we are getting the output below the heading saying know your traffic sign. The traffic sign or the image that we have provided to the interface is of speed limit 30 km per hour, and we are getting the accurate result from our model. Okay, so here we have the result while training our model. So the accuracy that we get, the graph shows the accuracy rate of our model is around 95%, and the loss of our model is around 0.5%, or we can say 5% future score. So as we can see, the crucial issue with the real-time application is that it takes more time to recognize any traffic sign. It can be reduced by taking the prior precaution to write the required code and to modify the previous models that we have or we have created to work more quick than before to get the best of it. The conclusion. So this project uses a classification algorithm to classify the provided image. And after testing the trained model, we are getting the accuracy of 95.94% of correct classified image. The project is implemented using the Python, as I said. The framework that is used is TensorFlow framework. An algorithm that is used is CNN, that is convolutional layer network, which can also be used for different work like face recognition, object detection, and many other work of computer vision. So let's see our working of the project. As I said, we will see a graphical user interface where we can find a button saying upload an image, and after clicking it, a folder containing the test data will appear and a random image will be selected. So now as the image is uploaded, we get another button to classify that image. So here we can see the image that has been uploaded or has been selected says stop. So let's see after clicking classify image what happens. So now after clicking the classify image, we can see that the sign is being classified as the traffic sign saying stop. So now we can also say that our project is properly working and giving us the accurate or the desired result.